Hi, this is Ron Nutter, and welcome to another edition of Tech Bytes Product Reviews with Ron Nutter. Now, DeWalt is a very recognized name in the industry, and my luck with their quality has been very good. I've had the earlier version, granted different brands, of the electric drills, or you can use this as a screwdriver because it's got quite a bit of variability and torque control to it. That's variability of speed. The particular package that I got had two batteries and a charger. Now these are 20-volt lithium ion batteries, so they're small but they pack a punch. And if you look at other things in this particular DeWalt product line, you'll find they've got a flashlight, they've got other tools. So you've got the foundation of a very good kit here, along with the zipper bag they send with it, which according to DeWalt tradition is a good way to protect the tool, and it helps keep things organized. This is going to be something that even if you let the battery sit for a while, and I just tested these and I hadn't charged them for probably 6 months, and they're fine. Now they're meant to be used. One battery tip on this: do not run them all the way down. As soon as they start to slow down, that's your indication that you need to change batteries, because repeated draining of these batteries down to their bottom end, it's actually going to damage the batteries. These things are meant to be charged. So if you've used it for any amount of time at all, slap the battery on the charger. The charger is smart enough to know how much it's going to have to charge, and will shut off and protect you from overcharging a battery, which some of the other drills I've run across would not. So take a look at this one, and I think you'll be very happy with it.